I'm going to be making for you all a mango pone. Now this recipe was inspired from the mango melee episode that I uploaded on my channel recently. If you haven't seen that, I will leave it as an end card for you all. So to make this, I'm going to start by adding some pureed mango to a bowl, and I'm using Julie mango, but you can use any type of mango you like. Next, I'm going to go in with some pureed or grated cassava, and I'm using fresh cassava for this. All of the ingredients will be fresh, not frozen. Some grated coconut, melted butter, nutmeg, and I prefer grating my own nutmeg rather than buying the store-bought one. That store-bought one that's already grated has a lot of fillers in it, and personally I don't like the taste. Cinnamon powder, some vanilla essence, and sugar. Now you can put as much or as little sugar as you want. Next, mix to combine. Now if you guys wanted to add raisins to this, mixed peel, whatever you want to add to your mango pone, you can. I'm just adding the ingredients that I like, and I prefer to make this without the raisins, so feel free to make it without the raisins or with the raisins. Now here I have 2 cinnamon leaves or bay rum leaves, so I'm just going to break this up into smaller pieces, and this is going to add so much more flavor to this pone. And I'm going to mix this in. Now when it's finished baking and you're going to eat it, you'll just want to pull the pieces out. You don't actually eat the pieces, but it's going to add flavor while baking. Next, pour your mixture into your baking dish. This goes into your oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it's nice and crusty on the top and it starts to pull away from the sides. It should take between 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how thick you make it. So guys, the pone came out of the oven and it's very hot. You need to allow pone to cool down and come to room temperature before you could cut into it. If you try cutting into it now, it's just going to be a mess. So once it cools down completely, then I'll cut into it and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside.